What the f is that, bro? Bro, let's get to ride in this R8. Let's go. He's like going off road.
No! God!
Yeah, that check engine light instantly just popped on again. My life.
It doesn't sound as like
It's like deeper, kind of.
It sounds better than the last one. Yeah.
Yeah. Catalyst system, below efficiency,
Well, yeah,
bank
don't
one.
have a catalytic
Yeah, that
converter.
makes sense. Just gotta erase those. First up in today's video, let's chase my friend's 981 Spider through the mountains. Bikers, they're back. My friend, the Bronco, dude. He's like going off road. He said to send it, so I had to do it to him. He oughta gang. Gotta love the pops. Little scrape. Whoop. Oh man, them third to seconds hit a little different. Car meet here too. Sheesh. I think my friend went to R8's here, bro. It's hella funny. Damn, let's go check out the cars. So I guess turn of events, we're all gonna go on a little cruise and I get to ride in this R8. Let's go. Holy, brother. Damn. 355 sounds hella good. Alright, brother. This is my boy's first time driving this thing too. You got this, my guy. Oh my god, that sounds good. We're slow, go. We're slow.
I don't want to do it.
We're gonna go nice and easy. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, brother. Good. Yeah, it's nice, huh?
Insane.
How do you like it?
Crazy. This
Oh
is
shit.
your blood pumping.
Yeah, dude.
Holy. That downshift.
Yeah. It hits
awesome,
It hits different, dude. It's like that exotic V8 sound.
Yeah.
I can already tell you're having too much fun. Dude, that sounds so good. That sounds so good. Dude, this thing feels nuts, dude.
This thing is awesome. This is the car right here, dude.
Favorite thing you've ever driven?
Yeah.
Yeah,
absolutely.
let's go. so good. Oh my god! This sounds so nasty.
God, it's just beautiful.
Oh,
That noise, dude.
that's just, oh man.
Godly.
That's why he's going up in price,
Godly.
dude. Oh.
Can't do this in my car.
Oh.
Last one.
Damn, that sounds good.
That's a sound.
Oh, man. Damn, M3 sounds good, but this is a little different.
That's
This is good.
crazy, dude. What an absolute
Dude.
pleasure. That's an experience that I'll cherish for the rest of my life, dude.
I was, got my blood pumping. I wasn't even driving. Holy. God bless. Dude, that's so sick, bro.
What an experience.
I've never felt like a supercar. It's all-wheel drive, so it's like a weird phenomenon, but
Just the
I don't know.
shift is
Yeah,
that's
dude.
crack, dude.
Yeah.
Yells at you? It's
Yeah,
crack.
that's so
That's
good.
so awesome.
Oh, man.
That's too bad it's a manual transmission, right?
Yeah. Oh, it
Oh,
sucks. The
yeah.
gate, it just sucks, you know?
God, it was just so interactive. It was so in with it. It's awesome.
Oh, man.
That one has a 2V.
Oh, okay. You have a,
Sounds good.
does yours have
Sounds good,
exhaust
dude.
too, right?
Huh?
You just have an exhaust on yours, definitely, right?
Caprice though.
Oh, that's why, okay. That sounds so good, man. It's gotta be one of the best sounding cars ever made, bro.
Yeah. I think so too. It's a high pitch Ferrari F1 kind of sound.
Alright. Everybody's going. Oh, boy. Oh, that thing sounds so good, dude. What the f? Where's my keys? Where's my keys? Okay, here we go. I think I got enough juice. Damn, the D-cell on this sounds so good. Nice. That R8 sounds so good too. It's got a V8 too, but like that has like a little bit more of an exotic kind of sound to it. It's interesting. Damn, I do hear something like straggling under my car. Uh-oh. Man, that's third to second just hits different. Yeah, I'm definitely dragging something. Bro, do you guys hear that? I think something under my car is dragging, bro. What the f is that? I'm gonna pull over real quick, bro. I don't know what the f that is. What is that, bro? Let's see. What the f is dragging, bruh? Oh, what the f is that, bro? The whole like front side of my car is just f dragging. Bro, this shit is f. I don't think I could rip this off either. Well, that's awkward as f. Yeah, just like a huge big ass plastic piece just like in the front of the car. That's awkward. Well, hopefully we can look at it more when we get home. Yikes. Pretty sure these are just metal wires. I don't think it's like electrical shit. Hopefully not. Nut. There's the washer. And then, oh boy, okay. Oh my God. All right, boys. Well, this is what was under there. A big ass piece. I had no idea it was gonna be that big. So probably not ideal. And we got some mysterious liquid. Always fun with a BMW. But yeah, that was what that sound was. A big ass piece under there. Oh boy.